Assalamu alaikum dear friends, today, let's make a room fan. First take PVC sheet. Cut to round piece. Connect one to PVC pipe. Sold to wires to 775 DC motor. Now connect the motor to the PVC pipe. Now remove wiring from potentiometer. And connected it to PVC sheet. Connect 3 wires to potentiometer. And connect it to PVC pipe. Like this. Now take pipe, wooden row and old wicket plastic, and connect it. Now connect these all. Like this. For base we need a wooden box and wooden piece. And connect it. After connecting one we take one more piece and connect it. Now we need some components and solder on it. Like this. Now connect to switches on it. And sold wires. Now connect this all. Like this. Now connect upper body to base. Like this. Last connect fan. Congratulations, your fan is ready for use.